Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your credit card transactions in Bank of America step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Bank of America website. Log into your Bank of America online account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab at the top of the page. Select the credit card account from which you want to back up transactions. Look for the Activity or Transactions section within your credit card account. Here, you will see a list of all your recent transactions. To filter by date, click on the Date Range selection option. Choose the range that you want to back up for your transactions. After applying the date filter, review your transactions to ensure accuracy. Look for the option to download or export your transactions, usually found near the top right. Select the format you prefer, commonly CSV or PDF. Once you select a format, click on the Download or Export button. Your transactions will be prepared for download. Check your browser's download location for the file.
Open the downloaded file to review your transactions. Save the file in a secure location on your computer or cloud storage. Ensure that you create a backup copy for additional security. You have successfully backed up your credit card transactions from Bank of America. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window.
Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.